Welcome to Kimpton Canary Hotel, your gateway to an unforgettable Santa Barbara experience. For booking details, including room options and availability, please scan the QR code displayed now or consult the description below. Here, in the heart of Santa Barbara, awaits a sanctuary of understated elegance. Kimpton Canary Hotel, a refined four-star escape, welcomes you just 15 minutes from the airport, effortlessly blending convenience with luxurious tranquility. As you enter, prepare to be captivated by a seamless fusion of modern sophistication and timeless Spanish colonial charm. 97 exquisitely appointed rooms offer an intimate, boutique experience designed to cater to your every desire, whether you're embarking on a romantic retreat or a productive business journey. Each space is meticulously crafted, ensuring a sense of calm and refinement from the moment you arrive. Allow our dedicated staff to anticipate your needs, ensuring a seamless and personalized experience from check-in at 4 p.m. onwards. Enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi and the convenience of on-site parking. Indulge in a delightful breakfast, a perfect start to your day. Your journey of discovery awaits. Remember to scan the QR code to secure your reservation at Kimpton Canary Hotel, where exceptional experiences are crafted.